What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another absolutely beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we're doing a little moto vlog by myself, but the weather is a little bit warmer today, but it's been cold here lately actually. But it's about, 65 probably right now, so not bad. But I'm going to hang out with my senior class friends for a little bit. We're gonna go to a park or something, enjoy the weather, because the weather's pretty nice right now, so why would we not? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing, having a little outing, probably go out to eat afterwards, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I thought I'd just bring y'all along with me, because the weather is great. So why not? So that's why I'm cooking a little bit. You know how it be. Woo! Freaking bright as crap out here. But yeah, like in the mornings, bro, it's been in the 30s. I hate the cold. I'm not a winter person at all. But it's alright. I ain't gonna die. Just gonna be a little chilly. Of traffic out, so around, it's a little bit after 5, so traffic gonna be crazy. Woo, that was loud. Kapow! God damn, boy. Holland, America, yeah, brother. Love the crackle and pops. Sounds pretty good. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Bro got on the wrong blinker. Uh-oh. Hey, doggy! He's gonna attack me. Yo, don't jump out, bro. Relax. Oh my god. Chill. God dang. I don't want to lane split that, bro. I'm finna get bitten. God dang. I'm sure he's nice. Maybe. Maybe not. And that guy probably closed the window. That guy's probably mad at me right now for making his dog bark. My bad, buddy. Don't mind me. Cute dog though. Woo-wee. Fly by on the dog. Yow. Nice. God dang, boy, you should not be on the highway or be towing with that. I don't think so. Taking me all the way up to Hamilton Mill, I guess. That's a cop. My bad. Not doing anything, officer. Nope. I'm glad I didn't lane split that. Not like he would have been able to catch me, but oh, my back. Just gotta keep it cool, boy. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Got my riding jeans on. These are the one I crashed in. Uh-oh. But hey, at least I know they work. You know what I'm saying? And then I got Vans on, but I was gonna wear my riding boots, but we're gonna be at the park walking around, so I chose not to. But that's alright. All things come to pass. break from the wind finally. God, my music is loud. There we go. Woo, fun little highway ride. Eh. Hey, at least gas is cheap right now. Since the election's coming up. Oh shoot, I still gotta vote. My first year voting. Woo! Don't ask who I'm gonna vote for. Mind your business, David. Brother, look at that truck right there. Yeah, boy. Down where you. Hey, biker. What is that, a 650? I don't know. The freaking Amazon van blocked me. Alright. Make sure I'm filming. Oh, where you. How they draw. I'm about to steal somebody's Powerade or whatever that is. Eh. Hey. There he is. Oh wait, I'm not turning, frick! He got a little riding buddy, stuffed animal with him. That's cool. Oh wait, is this a turn lane too? What the frick? I did not mean to be in a turn lane. Another biker, god dang. Frick, I need to be going straight. My bad. My bad, guys, my bad. Took a wrong directions. Oh yeah, I like this road. Pretty fun and windy. Looking at, son. That's pretty fun. Gotta be careful though, because it's cold out. Can't low side again. Embarrassing. Pow, 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 pow. What the? That's a nice freaking thick Bronco. God dang. Think he got enough spacers on there? Sheesh. Bro got 315s in the front. God dang. I've gotten a good clutch up in second like one time, bruh, and I almost looped it. So now I'm like scared to do it, but I also want to do it so I don't forget. Oh, it's conflicting emotions right now. Guess I'll just have to stop being a bitch and just do it. But we'll see. Rolling with my homies. Haha, that's so funny. That is so funny. Now go. Please don't slow me down if I'm going too far. What the? Nice little Beamer wagon. It's pretty sick. Holy below, my balls are cold. Yeah. Okay, anyways, that's enough from me today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that, if you liked the video. And leave a comment, tell me what I'm doing wrong if you didn't like the video. Well, yeah. Peace out.